Boost your speaking skills, a strategic improvement plan. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here with you today. Today, we're going to talk about an essential part of mastering public speaking: self-assessment, setting goals, and creating an improvement plan. This is the step that turns ordinary speakers into extraordinary ones. So, let's dive in and see how we can address and improve areas where we might be falling short. Before we can set goals and create an improvement plan, we need to understand our strengths and weaknesses. Start by reflecting on your previous public speaking experiences. Ask yourself, what parts did you do well? Where did you struggle? This step is all about being honest with yourself, as identifying these areas is the first step towards improvement. Once you know where you want to improve, the next step is setting SMART goals. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By setting goals that are detailed, measurable, attainable, relevant to your aspirations, and tied to a deadline, you're far more likely to achieve them. For example, instead of setting a vague goal like, "I want to become a better public speaker," a SMART goal would be, "I want to be able to speak confidently in front of a group of 50 people within the next 3 months." Now that we have our SMART goals, the next step is creating a step-by-step plan. This involves breaking down your larger goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. For example, if your goal is to speak confidently in front of a large group, your step-by-step plan might include activities like practicing with smaller groups first, gradually increasing the size, and joining a local public speaking club for regular practice. The last step in our improvement journey is regular self-assessment and adjustment. Regularly assess your progress towards your goals, and make any necessary adjustments to your plan. Don't be afraid to modify your goals or the steps in your plan if needed. Remember, the ultimate goal is to improve, and that may mean changing your approach based on what's working and what's not. There you have it, the roadmap to improving your public speaking skills. Remember, progress might be slow at times, but as long as you're moving forward, you're improving. And that's what matters. It's been great sharing these insights with you. I hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, keep assessing, and keep improving. You've got this.